Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, yeah, you're going to need an app. So, just go to Play Store. No, not this. Rubik's Cube Solver. It's called CubeX Cube Solver. I already installed, so you just want to open it. Oh, takes so long. No. Not this. Gotta do a new one. Nope, not this. Got a new. No, not that one. Gotta do a new one. Okay. So now you have to click on. Hey, where's my cube? Wait, I gotta find my cube first. My cube fast. Oh, where did my cube go? Oh, okay, right here. Okay. So sorry for long pauses. Now I'm gonna show you how to solve it. Okay, so click on solve. Click on camera input. Oh, allow. And then skip. You just wanna, oh no, it's gonna be green. Alright. And then once it is correct, oh, it's not correct yet. Gotta do a little bit. This is yellow. This is yellow. Oh no. Why is it wrong? What is happening here? What happens to it? Done. What about turn like done? Alright, there we go. 2 whites, alright. It is correct. But this is gonna be yellow. Yeah, no. Yes, no. Yeah, right, that's a no. Alright, there we go. And then click on scan. Then we're gonna do, it's gonna be up, nope. Then oh no, later. Wait, not now. Hey, what just happened here? Hello? Hey, what just happened here? Hello? Hey, what just happened? Are we... Okay, so now I didn't use my, camera input now. I use, another one, which is on top, so I use that one. And then now I'm gonna solve it. There are 2 reds right here, and there's 2 whites on top, and then there's another red, and then an orange down here, yellow, no, sorry about that, and then blue right here, and then next face, right here, okay, and then the 3 blues right here, and 2 oranges right here, and then 1 white right here, 2 greens right there. Next face, it's gonna be blue. There's 1 blue right here. 3 yellows on top, 2 whites under, a red right there, and blue right there. Next face. Red right here, and then yellow right on top, 2 oranges right here, whites, and then finally green right there. And then next face, which is gonna be right here, it's gonna be right there, 2 right here, and then 2 greens right there, right here, and then also there's gonna be orange right here. Now I'm gonna go to the next face down here. Alright, and there's gonna be greens, 2 oranges, white, 2 two yellows. Go to solve. Go to 22 moves. And then now you got to follow the pattern correctly. Go to ready. No. I don't want to start now. It's gonna be wait. Right there. Okay. Now let's go to start. D2, L2. All right. U, F2, L2, U, B2, R2, U, B2, F2, L, B prime, R prime, D, R, B2, U2, R, F prime, L, and F2, and it's solved. And it is solved in real life too. I'm gonna show you my cube now. It's finally solved. Go solve. Camera input. Now it's finally solved. Look at this. Look at my cube. Now it's finally solved. Yeah. What happens do I do like this? Okay, I'm not gonna show you that today. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more video like this, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And subscribe. Hit the bell. Bye guys.